In this video, you will create headings for your spreadsheet to start organizing your expenses. A heading is a title that appears at the top of a document. Putting headings at the top of your spreadsheet columns shows you what kind of information to enter about each expense. Put headings at the top of the first 4 columns. Each column will contain important information about your expenses. To get a complete picture of your expenses, you want to know the name of the specific item, how much it cost, what type of expense it was, and how often you pay for the item. First, add a row at the top of your spreadsheet to make space for your headings. To add a row to the top, click on row number 1, then select Insert from the toolbar and row above. Select cell A1 and type the heading for column A, Item. Next, select cell B1 and type the heading for column B, Cost. Create the heading for column C, Category. This describes the type of expense. Create the heading for column D, Frequency. This describes how often you pay for it. Finally, format the headings to make them stand out. Select all the cells that contain headings. Then, find the bold icon on the toolbar and bold your headings. To give the headings a more consistent format, use the Align icon on the toolbar and click the arrow to see the drop-down menu. Center align your headings to put the text in the center of each cell. Great job! Now that you've created headings for your spreadsheet, move on to the next video to calculate the total cost of your expenses. Now it's your turn. Create headings for your spreadsheet and format the headings.